Hello and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas to all of you. And today I'm going to show you one more video of unboxing of my new Dodge Viper by Bburago. It's a 1 by 24 scale model and I bought it from Flipkart for just rupees 890. It's a great deal. The mark price, the MRP on the box of this toy car is I think let me check over here. It's not here. Yes, it's here. It's 1599, as you can see. Yeah, it's 1599. However, I bought this from Flipkart for just rupees 890 or 899, I guess. And this is a very beautiful scale model. It's a very detailed scale model. Let me compare it with this ball pen over here. As you can see, the it's the exact 1 by 24 scale. It looks a bit smaller, but it's not that because it's a detailed scale model, and the Dodge Viper was a sports car with a V10 engine. So let me show you the detailing of this car. The doors can open to reveal the interior. As you can see, the interiors are very nicely appointed. Here you go. You can see the interiors. Very nice interior, very detailed. And um, let me turn it like this. The headlights, you can see, looks almost real. It's very highly detailed. As you can see the headlights here. See these details here. The fog lamps are also looks very real. And here we have a wind deflector, I guess, and it's a carbon fiber kind of looks, so it gives almost a real look to the car. You see this mirrors, it's a very detailed mirror. It is also in exactly in 1 by 24 scale. And what I like the most is the label, the Dodge label over here. You can see it's a very detailed label, and this label is also in 1 by 24 scale. It looks extremely beautiful. Maybe the camera quality is not that great, but if you can see the real scale model in real life, you will get to know how detailed the toy car is. Here there is a fuel flap that looks almost real. The wheels are also very detailed. So complete blacked out wheel rims, so it's contrasting to the overall paint job of the car. And here you have a wind spoiler. This wind spoiler is available in high-end sports cars, so it's available in this car as well. It's a very detailed car. It's a bit dusty because I just opened the packet and there were a lot of dust, because of which you can see the dust over here as well. I wanted to keep it real and as a real unboxing. That's why I'm not cleaning the car in front of your eyes. I just wanted to keep it as real as possible. And the shape, I don't know why, but I was I was expecting two bubble type roof on this car, but it's a pretty flat and very common design roof over here. I was expecting it to have a bubble roof, but it's not there. Let's look into the under the hood. See the detailing, it is amazing. I mean, look at the Viper logo over here. There's a Viper logo here, and the engine is very detailed. It's a V10, and here is the radiator and the other components. And the engine bay looks almost real, and it's in red. It looks brilliant from outside. And there are some lashes of chrome here on the engine as well, that gives it a great in-depth luster to the car. You can see it. It's a very detailed scale model in 1 by 24 scale. These days it's very difficult to find a highly detailed scale model, because Bburago and Maisto, these companies were, they're foreign companies, and they were outsourcing their manufacturing from China, and they're slowly stopping their business in India because they are making huge losses. So this car would be a classic and a collectible item after some time, because there is a lot of import embargoes being imposed on Chinese companies. So I believe after some time, probably you will not see these toy cars, these highly detailed toy cars in the market after some time. The tailpiece has a Dodge logo over here, and it looks brilliant. There's a Dodge branding here that looks very nice. The tail lights are also looking very real. It's amazingly detailed car. This is an amazingly detailed car, I would say. If you turn the car upside down, you can see underneath the engine bay over here. It looks almost real. I mean, you can see those red colored trims, and those chrome lashes. This is the engine, this is the bottom of the engine, and these are the exhaust, and the exhaust is also very detailed, looks like almost it's real. Here are the exhaust, this is the gearbox, and it looks almost real. There's a Dodge Viper branding over here. This is an ACR model made by Bburago, and it's a made in China. Here is the rear wheel shaft, and this one is also is in chrome, and that looks amazing. This is a one of the best highly detailed toy cars you can buy at a fairly low price tag in 1 by 24 scale. I don't think there are many companies who make highly detailed toy cars in 1 by 24 scale size. Bburago is one of them. I have a lot of other Bburago cars like the Maserati, the Ferrari F40 from 1996, and I also have a couple of Lamborghinis which are also highly detailed. I was trying to find a Lamborghini Countach, but I was not able to find it. Unfortunately, it sold out before I could make a purchase. There are other classic cars I have, like the Citroen and the Bugatti, the classic 1950s, 1930s Bugatti. So if you want to know more about all other toy cars that I have in my collection, you can of course check my channel and see my collection. All of them are highly detailed cars, except for the one which is made by Veli. This one is made by Bburago, and it's amazing. And here we are reaching the end of the video. And yeah, one more thing I just noticed here, that if you turn the wheels, the steering wheel also turns. These days this kind of features are very rare. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and let us know how we can improve the content of our videos. And hope you hope you enjoyed watching this video. Wish you all very happy Christmas and a happy New Year in advance. Hope to see you again next week. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.